I'm up here on the second floor of my garage slash barn, and it is, I can't even tell you how hot it is. It is so hot up here. It's about 90 degrees outside. Up here, I mean, it's got to be 120, 150. I don't know. It is so hot, it's unreal. But I wanted to make this video. So I was up here yesterday, and I found something that I thought was a bookshelf. I was standing upright, and I never really gave it much thought. Well, I came over here to move it yesterday, and it was so heavy, probably 100, maybe 200 pounds, very incredibly heavy. It was not a bookshelf, it was a crate. I was able to lay the crate down, and then I also noticed behind it, there's a box, and let me show you here. So, I got a crate and a mystery box. Now, I have no idea what's in them. This says this end up, so I lowered it down. There is a label that is incredibly faded, you can't read it. Some of it is banged up a little bit, so it looks like it was opened, so if there's a vampire or something in it, it's probably gone now. I have not opened that box. I'm about to pry this open and see what's in here, and I thought maybe it'd be cool if we did it together. And also, just in case it is a vampire or something, I have it right in front of the sunlit window. Also, there is no lights up here. Whoever was building or working on this, they never put in a ventilation fan, and they never got the electricity run up here. There's one light bulb that comes up here by the stairs, but that's it. So I'm gonna have to run all that electrical later in life. But without further ado, let's crack this thing open, okay? When we bought this place, I negotiated for them to just leave everything. The only thing they took was a picture of their family, and there were 2 classic cars downstairs they took. Everything else they left. So this is one of the treasures that I negotiated for, so we're gonna see what we got in here. And unfortunately, I do not have a crowbar. No vampires. This looks pretty old. Did you just hear something move inside? I'm not even trying to be funny. Did you just hear something move inside this? I could have swore I heard something move inside there. Maybe just something rolling around. Oh, just something rolling around. If there was a better way to open this, go and let me know in the comments. This wood's not in very good condition. That's what I like. No, did you hear that? You heard that. Did you hear something in there moving? I didn't hear voices. Well, whatever's in here must have been in here a while. Okay, I think I got it. So, what do we think? Comment below. Is it things that go bang? Is it some sort of priceless artifact? I mean, this is a very old house. Is it a mummy? The house is old enough to go through that phase of history. I mean, the wood doesn't look that old. What do you think? Comment below. We'll see if you're right. All right, I'm super excited here. Ready? Of course, the sun goes away. All right, here, ready? So what is it? What is it? Comment below. What is this? Initially, if I had to guess, I'd say this is a lathe. Is it a table saw? What the heck is this? No wonder it was so heavy. Jesus. Jeez, oh man, it's solid metal. Jeez, that would explain why it was so heavy though. Always disconnect power to the jointer before changing or adjusting blades. Sorry folks, I hope I'm not letting anyone down when I say I don't know what a jointer is. Comment below, let me know what it is. I'm gonna Google and find out anyways, but what's a jointer? Jointer. I know what a hammer is. Kind of disappointed it wasn't a vampire or a mummy. I mean, it looks like it's pretty well greased and oiled up. So however old it is, I don't see a name brand on it anywhere. Let's check out the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? You all see the box okay? What do we think's in the box? Comment below. It's got staples on it. All right. Any last guesses? Here's something metal. Great. I have no idea what this is either. Can you see it from there? Oh, it's really heavy. I mean, here's a belt. Is this part of that? Ah, here we go. There we go. Star Tools super heavy duty jointer. So this goes with this. Guys, I'm sorry. I still don't know what the heck this is. Is it like a table saw? It's freaking huge. What? Anyone want to buy this? Hit me up. What the heck am I going to do with this? Holy crap. Well, if you guess this, then that's what we got. So mystery Mystery solved, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting sweat in my eyes. Look, can you see how sweaty my arm is? I don't know if you can tell. Holy crap, yeah. That's how hot it is up here. It is unreal how hot it is up here. I'm bringing this video to y'all. Okay, now there's one more thing I want to check into here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. But I'll give you a quick, let me give you a quick run around here of this place, just so you know what I'm working with. So, I mean, I got, car exhaust, lights, all kinds of more tools. I got other mystery boxes. I got mystery bags. I got mystery totes. I got mystery coolers. Hope they're not full of anything creepy. I got more mystery boxes, more mystery totes. Luckily, they kept some of the original doors for the place. I got, scales, more mystery totes, rat poison, antique stuff, steamer trunks, carpet. This is the other thing I wanted to check out. I sort of pulled this open the other day, but I wanted to sort of scope it out. So I'm actually gonna, let me see how I want to do this. I think I'm gonna set the camera here, and we'll pull that thing out. I'm gonna put a mask on though, because I started pulling this out yesterday, and it was so dusty, it was disgusting. Let's see here. Luckily, there's no shortage on mask right now, so I think we all probably have one laying around somewhere, whether we use them or not. All right, let me pull this thing out of here. Now, I was gonna buy one of these, but now I don't have to, which is awesome. I don't even know what half this stuff is. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, that's too dusty. Oh my goodness, you see all that dust in the light there? I don't know if the camera picks it up or not. It is unreal how dusty that is over there. Oh, man. So it was there so long that these moving blankets are disintegrating on it, and that's where the dust is coming from. So, I'm not sure if you can tell what this is, but this is a big, blind you can stand behind. And it is really cool. Give me a second to reposition the camera so we can check this out. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. Let me fan it out here. So check that out. I mean, how cool is that? It's also incredibly heavy, but how cool is that? You have any thoughts on this? Put them in the comments. There's another pattern on the back of it too. I'll try to show you that too, but the lighting's not real good. Let's have a closer look here. So we got birds. Down the bottom looks like tiger, some other animals. And this is the alternate. So there's stuff going on both sides. If anyone has any info on this or comments, please let me know. It might be old, but I'll tell you the hinges on it don't look terribly old to me. So I would assume that this isn't that old, but hey, who knows? So. Thanks for joining me on this episode. I hope you like opening the mystery boxes, checking this thing out. I am drenched and covered in dust. I gotta get in the shower. As I open more mystery boxes and totes and stuff, be sure to stay tuned because I will make videos. And we'll see what other kind of stuff we can find up here. I can tell you a lot of it, just doing a quick look, a lot of it looks like it's probably just junk. And some of these boxes and stuff are probably empty. But as I go and I find ones that have weight to them, I'll definitely set the camera and we'll open them together and see what's in them. You know, if you know what a joiner is, let me know before I Google it. You have any comments or input on this, let me know. I think this is pretty awesome, but I have no idea, you know, the country of origin, the age, or anything like that. For all I know, this came from IKEA. I have no idea. So if you do, let me know. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let everyone know about this channel, all the crazy stuff we're doing. Right now, the videos are kind of, you know, maybe just some fun little mundane things, but, you know, I would like to make this channel grow and include a lot of projects and some how-tos as I learn to do things, like wiring this place, maybe putting a fan in. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those awesome videos or content. And thank you for joining us in our Victorian, and I bid you a fond farewell.